When Zelisa told me today that she's struggling to find a solution for her overhead shots and tends to buy another tripod with an extension, I told her that I have a solution, at least a workaround for the moment. Use your normal tripod. Make sure that the one leg is towards the scenery you want to capture. Take, if you have a selfie stick, which she has. Take off your camera holder from your phone. And most of the selfie sticks, they have the same thread, so you can mount it on your existing tripod. One leg to the front, and now the bulgur comes into play. You can also take rice if you want to. Place it on the backwards facing legs, and then comes the magic part where everyone is afraid to do so. Take your camera. This one is for my fiancée, so I don't really care about it. Actually, I do care, but I have a good insurance. And you will see that this one is working so far. You just have to lock it in place, but it doesn't move any further. Is that a wobbly solution? Yes, it is. Is that the perfect solution? Not at all. Does it fix your problem? If you want to make an overhead shot, probably it will. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you want to see more of those everyday photographer life hacks, and for sure also tips and ideas about your usual tech gear, which I personally carry around every day. Have a great evening and see you next time. And one more thing. It feels a lot safer if you use a shorter selfie stick, or you follow Julianas' advice and use a gorilla stick and wrap it around an existing structure, cabinet, or maybe a fan. Thank you so much, and see you next time.